At Desigual's logistics center in Spain, the challenge was clear: to optimize the internal material flow and to eliminate repetitive, low-value added tasks. To address this need, Kivnon implemented a fleet of K05 Twister AGVs, a solution designed to automate material transport in dynamic environments. The K05 model offers a combination that is especially effective for this type of operation. Bidirectional movement, 360-degree rotation on its own axis, integrated lifting table, and automated transport with high stopping accuracy. Thanks to this solution, Desigual replaced manual box transport processes and transformed them into an automated intralogistics flow. The result was clear: a 20% increase in logistics productivity. Kivnon, built to keep your intralogistics moving.